Before po tayo mag-start, can I ask everyone, how many of you want an online business that can earn without you? Without you? Pwede nga ba yun talaga? It means it's running, it's functioning, nagde-deliver, nakakatanggap ng orders kahit na wala ka. Sino yung gusto? Me. Ayan. Okay. Sige. Sino naman dito yung, how many of you are interested to have a sustainable online business? Sustainable? Ano ibig sabihin yung hindi ka na kailangan maghanap ng maraming produkto? Lagi, di ba? Yung parang araw-araw na lang nagpa-product research ka. Ganyan. Ayaw mo yun, di ba? So gusto mo 1, 2 products, 3 products, okay na. Tama? Sino yung may gusto? Me. Ayan. Thank you for sharing, Apple. Sila Gloria, yan. Ako din, gusto ko ng ganun eh. How many of you have zero idea of Amazon selling? Can you type zero in the chat box? Yan, zero. Thank you. So, I'm glad na marami tayong kababayan ngayon na zero idea, and I'm so happy because I'm gonna share a rare opportunity with you today. By the way, for those who don't know me, I'm Lish Aquino, I'm the CEO and founder of Amazon Nation. Can you type one in the chat box kung sino po yung hindi pa ako nakikilala ever? Para may background lang po ako. One. Okay, marami rin po pala. Pero can you type two kung nakita niyo ako sa RDR? Okay, kasi yung iba dito kaya nandito dahil nasa RDR, tama? Okay, sige. Okay, welcome. Welcome to all of you. But for those who don't know me, ayan, and our company, Amazon Nation, we are on a mission to build a nation that is on the move to achieving financial and time freedom. So kami po, aside sa Amazon, yung Amazon selling at tinuturo namin, we're also teaching Amazon virtual assistant. And of course, we transform lives of many Filipinos for 5 years now. And this is our full-time task. We are 40 plus in the group, no? This is our full-time work to transform a life of many Filipinos, give them the opportunity to sell online or to earn online, yan, whether through being a VA or through having businesses or brands. All right. So again, welcome to our free webinar entitled The Secrets of How I Built a Sustainable Seven-Figure Online Business in Amazon starting from zero or scratch. Yan. So ano yung matututunan natin today? Oh, ayan. Bago yan, since sabi nyo, marami sa inyo yun na hindi pa ako nakikilala, is it okay if I can share my life story? Sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala, can you type 3 in the chat box? If okay lang po. Sino ba to? Bakit ko siya pakikinggan? Nakita ko lang naman siya online or sa ads. Diba? Ayan. So, sa mga alam niyo na po kung anong story ko, ayan, siguro yung iba napanood ako sa RDR kaya ako nandito. Pero para po sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, I just want to share a little bit of the background in my life story. Of course, I started, as you all know, I started way back 2010 when I was when I was redundated. So hindi pa pandemic noon pero may mga redundation na and isa ko doon. And nagkaroon ako ng baby kaya sabi ko kailangan ko pong maghanap ng online work. And good thing because I found a client who's an Amazon seller and I was looking for 3 things in the business. Meaning I can do it online, kaya ko siyang gawin kahit saan or laptop lang. And pangalawa, yung online job na yun or online business na yun, kayang kumita ng $1 million. Meaning, scalable siya. Kasi marami pong business online. So, ano lang, kumbaga may hangganan. And then third, I was looking for a business to be a passive income. Meaning, may mga business kasing online, merong kumikita ka nga ng million, pero ano siya, pero kailangan din talikan ng oras or the more that you're earning, the more that you're working. So sabi ko, gusto ko yung medyo passive or semi-passive. So nakita ko yung Amazon doon sa business na yun. And nagsimula ako ng scarf. Naalala niyo ba yung kwento ko about scarf? So para sa mga hindi nakakaalala, nagsimula po ako sa scarf, nangutang ako. Ito yung scarf, hindi siya napanood sa online. Pero ito yung itsura ng scarf. So nag-hire ako um, ng model. Sabi ko, kailangan yung model ko Caucasian. Pero iba yung dumating. So, nag-hire ako nag-ano ako ng studio. Um, Talagang, yan, pinadala namin dito sa Pilipinas, yung iba't ibang scarf. So, you know what happened, right? The scarf, yung hindi siya naging successful. Okay, bakit hindi naging successful? Kasi nilaunch ko siya sa Amazon ng almost pa-summer na. So, yeah. Tumagal siya ng 1 year and then tsaka lang siya nabenta. So, in short, the lesson is dapat hindi seasonal ang produkto. Or kung seasonal, dapat i-launch siya before that season. Okay? Ayan, may tip agad. Okay, pangalawa, copper-infused fiber. So sabi ko noon, ito na yung itsura ng copper-infused fiber, guys. Um, ito yung circulate. Yan, circulate ng blood, circulate ng flow ng blood sa body. And sabi ko, maraming nagsusuot ng socks at maraming gusto healthy sila, kaya papatok to. Nung nilunch ko, nag-flop na naman. Hindi na naman naging okay. Bakit? Dahil ang produkto ko ay kino-compete yung mga big brands. So, you know the lesson. Yan. Okay. At marami pa ako pong hindi na-share na products. So, pakita ko sa inyo lahat. Isang pet seat cover. Itong molecule. Nag-launch din po ako nitong glow in the dark na tape. And finally, no, nung na-launch ko na, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang product na TV cover at piano cover, nung na-launch ko na, nakita ko, out of the many things na itong mga to, hindi siya nag-work. Ito, scarf, etong socks, etong knee pad, etong, pet seat cover, molecule, light, at sa lahat ng yon ang nag-work lang ay TV cover. Imagine. And it's 2 years, no? Bago naging okay yung business. And because of that, nangako ako na parang sa sobrang hirap ng pinagdaanan ko, I'll share with you if I have the opportunity to share this. And lucky enough, pinatawag po tayo sa isang Pioneer event last 2017. So sabi ko, I'll share $10,000. Masaya na ako nun. Bakit? Kumikita ako ng magkano lang naman online as a virtual assistant. So $10,000 is really a big number for me. So I shared it multiple times in several opportunities, Manila Workshop, Freedom Summit, Lifestyle, and even in CNN po, ayan, na share na natin siya. And true enough, habang sinishare natin siya, dumadagdag yung income. At ito na nga ang screenshot ng aking favorite year and month during pandemic. Ito during Prime Day, 39,000 to 25,000. Sino may gusto kumita ng 40,000 in one day? Can you type 5 in the chat box? Thank you. $39. $39,000, no? For one day. Pwede na rin, di ba? I mean, sobra. And then, dahil 2 araw ang Prime Day, kinabukasan, $25,000. So, ang saya, right? So, ako talaga sabi ko, this is a very rare opportunity. This should be shared for everyone. Na nasa bahay ka, naalagaan mo yung anak mo, kumikita ka. And simula nun, I made it a mission to share this opportunity to not only mothers, no, and to anyone, as in anyone na gustong kumita online. And true enough, nung pandemic talagang nasa bahay lang sila, maraming nanonood sa patio, and kumita tayo ng 7.5 million, no? In 1 year. Yeah, in 1 year. So what am I trying to say? Babalik pa tayo sa 2 Corinthians chapter 10. Sabi dito, let the one who boasts, boast in the Lord. For it is not the one who commends himself who is approved, but the one whom the Lord commends. Ibig sabihin, lahat tayo, binigyan lang tayo ng strength, to do all these things. And when we glow, we also glow and grow because of the one who give us the strength, and that is God. And also, if we're going to boast, like ako, parang nauso yung humble brag, di ba? So, humble brag ba to? Of course, I will brag about the generosity of God. Kasi, ibig sabihin, pag meron kang gusto at pinaghihirapan mo yun at pinagdadasal mo yun araw-araw, lagi kang, kumbaga, He will answer your prayer. And of course, lahat tayo may pinagdadaan. Sino ba dito yung walang problema? Type me in the chat box. Diba? Lahat tayo may problema. Kaya kung ano man ang galing na. Okay, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, maybe you're here for a reason, and maybe this is an opportunity that you've been asking for a long time. So I hope that you learned a lot. So enough about me. Let's deep dive on what you're going to learn today. So basically, I will teach you from A to Z. Ano ba yung mga pagdadaanan mo if you want to become an Amazon seller? Okay, first of all, we're going to discuss FBA and FBM. So, model muna ng business. Everyone wants to sell on Amazon, right? But there are 2 models. Ano po ba yun? FBA and FBM. Ang FBA is fulfilled by Amazon, and yung FBM is fulfilled by merchant. FBA meaning Amazon, yung dun ka mag-warehouse, dadali natin yung product sa Amazon. At pag may umorder online, sila yung mag-fulfill. FBM naman, para sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, FBM is fulfilled by merchant, meaning pag may umorder sa store ng Amazon, yung ikaw mismo yung magpapack na item na magpapadala sa ating customer. Ayan. So, mamili ka, FBA o FBM. Can you type in the chat box, ano yung mas gusto mo? FBA. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Iyan, ako. So, ano bang ano bang preferred ko? Okay. Ang preferred ko ay FBA. Yan. Bakit FBA? Because naghahanap nga ako ng passive income, naghahanap nga ako ng, kumbaga, the business that can run without me. So definitely FBA is the key to that. Alright. So ito po yung iba't iba ring model. Retail arbitrage, wholesale, and private label. So didiscuss ko muna yung retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, pwede kang magbenta sa Amazon. The way of flipping. Ano ba yung flipping? So, it means, for example, you're already in US. May mga nasa US and Canada ako nakita kanina. And then you buy, sale sa US. Diba? Bili ka ng 70% off. Bibilin mo yon, and pag nakita mo sa Amazon, wala silang sale. Yung percentage of discount, yun yung kikitain mo. So, it works for a lot of people na nandun na mismo sa lugar. Good ito if you don't have enough money kasi you can start kung ano lang yung kaya mong bilhin. Pero hindi siya passive income because you have to go to stores, you have to find online. Kung online retail arbitrage naman, you really have to find online ng mga huge discount. You have to get it. And it's not your own brand. It's not your product. So it has, kumbaga, pros and cons. Yan ang retail arbitrage. Any question about retail arbitrage? Okay, sige po. Next is wholesale. Ano naman yung wholesale? Wholesale is a good model as well. It can be passive income kasi pag nakahanap ka na, ito naman kakausapin mo yung mga brand owners na bibili ka ng product nilang bultuhan. And pag naging okay na yon, bibili ka sa kanila, of course, there will be a wholesale price. And you will get it for a huge discount. Ngayon, pag binenta mo siya online, yung discount nun, yun yung kita mo. Okay, pag binenta mo sa Amazon. So, kailangan mo syempleng malaman dito sa wholesale model is, ano ba yung mga products na kayang sobrang magbigay ng bultuhang presyo? And ano ba yung mga, and pag tinignan mo siya sa Amazon, sobrang taas ng presyo niya. So, that's the wholesale model. The good thing about it, it's easy. Um, uh, kung baga, passive din naman siya kasi bibilin mo ng bulk eh. So, yeah, it's good model. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-brand, di ba? Hindi ka na kailangan magbuo ng brand from scratch because you already have a lot of options na pwede kang bumili ng product. Ang problema, of course, is not your product. So, kung magkano yung presyo nila, you have to really work on that price lang. And the problem, natatama ko pala, no stopping other sellers from buying. Ibig sabihin, kung kaya mong bilhin yon sa sa seller or sa manufacturer, kaya rin bumili ng iba. Therefore, may competitor ka. Yan. Unless, ang key dyan is maghanap ka ng exclusive for you. And gaano kahirap maghanap? Yun ang tanong. So, ito yung wholesale. Alright? Clear so far? Okay pa. And now, we come to the third selling model of Amazon, which is the private label. Private label naman, ito yung maghahanap ka ng sarili mong produkto. Ako, I personally find the products in Alibaba, pero pwede rin pong online, pwede rin sa manufacturer sa Vietnam, Japan, Korea, US. So, pwede rin sa ibang lugar, ano. And then, you will put your private label or your brand on it. You will customize the box, you will customize the packaging, and ilalagay mo talaga yung sarili mong um, SKU, SKU doon or ano yun, yung bar, no? Yung brand mo talaga doon. So, it means that it will take a little while, probably 3 to 6 months, for you to create your own brand, to find supplier, to finalize the brand, the price, ganyan. Unlike sa wholesale and retail arbitrage, nakita mo yun naman, kaya yung agad-agad. Once na makahanap kayo ng product, kaya nyo na siya ibenta agad. Ito, hindi po. Um, ang private label naman ngayon is, of course, makikipag-compete ka doon sa ibang brand naman, like yung mga established brand na. Or, pwede ka rin mag-create ng brand mo na wala pa, hindi pa nag-exist. So, pwede rin yun. And of course, price war, yan naman ang problema natin. Kasi tayo yung magdidictate ng price, therefore, tayo talaga yung magre-research ng presyo na kaya natin. But the good thing about private label is because you're the one who created the product, therefore kaya mong presyohan ng malaki. Right? So, can you type in the chat box, ano yung gusto nyong model para dun tayo magpo-focus? Sige, can you type in the chat box, what do you want? Si Julieta, private label, thank you. Okay. Ayan po, marami tayong private label na gusto. Si Eileen, online arbitrage. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. Maraming wholesale, may online arbitrage, may private label. Pwede rin all of the above. Okay, so since gusto ng lahat is private label, therefore we will focus on private label today. Alright, so first of all, you cannot do this model kung wala kang platform. Ang platform na ginagamit natin sa Amazon is what we call Amazon Seller Central. So today, is it okay if I teach you right now how you can start right after this meeting. Okay lang ba? Is it okay kung i-share ko na sa inyo kung paano talaga magbukas right after this meeting? Pwede ka nang magbukas ng sarili mong Amazon seller platform. Okay? So, and thank you for answering, Julieta Agnes. So, ngayon, yan, i-share ko na. So, take note po. And I will call Coach Jam mamaya kung merong question about Amazon seller registration kasi baka, ma'am, ito kasi yung seller central registration natin, umiiba every day. So baka mamaya merong update. Okay, ang kailangan, pag magbubukas tayo Amazon Seller Central, there are two types, individual and professional. Individual is, pwede ka mag-open for free. Ayan, may nakapagbukas na, very good. Okay, pwede kang mag-open for free, which is the individual. And then, pag nag-open ka nun, hindi kayo charge ni Amazon monthly, pero ito-charge ka niya per item. Yan. Okay? And then, meron pong professional. A professional is an account that you can use and you can pay for $39.99 per month on top of Amazon fee. Okay, on top. So, ito ang 39 is using for the professional account. So, ibig sabihin, kahit gaano karaming mabenta mo, Amazon Seller Central will only charge you for $39. Okay? Ayan. So, si Michael and si Miss Smith. meron na kayo. Okay. So, it's good and thank you. Did you get the individual or professional? Kasi ano bang preferred ni Miss Lish? Ako, I suggest to go to the professional account kasi mas mabilis yung, yes, okay. Yan, okay. Professional din yung kinuha niya. I prefer na professional kasi mas mabilis yung customer support usually sa experience. Ano bang mga kailangan? So, kailangan niya, dalawa lang po yung hinihingi na ID, it's driver's license or passport. Again, it's driver's license only or passport. Pwede bang SSS? Pwede bang UMID? Pwede bang, ano pa ba yung mga ano? Iba pa? Syempre hindi. Hindi po siya tinatanggap. Ito lang pong dalawa ang kailangan. And then, kailangan po ng credit card. Dahil usually ang mabilis pong ma-accept ni Amazon sa ano tawag dito, yung ito auto-charge kanya monthly is through a credit card. Okay. Coach Jam, meron po akong kasamang coach dito. Okay pa ba ang debit card ngayon? Mamaya sagutin niya yan. And also bank statement because the bank statement usually yun yung nire-recognize nila to prove your address. Yan. Kasi diba sa passport lang naman po address. So for address confirmation, it's the bank statement or the statement of account. Okay. Okay. So how do you become an Amazon seller? You just sign up here. And then, ayan. Ito po. Teka lang. Sorry. Aalisin ko yung sarili ko dito. I'm not sure if you can screenshot this one. Sige po. Pa-screenshot na lang po or pwede nyo itong i-picturean ngayon. Alright. Ano po yung screenshot na yan? Amazon, ano ba to? Dahil po nakilala na ang Amazon Nation worldwide, tinapo tayo ng Singapore. Nasa Singapore base kasi yung nag-aalaga sa Southeast Asian sellers. So, pumupunta sila dito and nakikipag-set sila ng meeting sa atin dahil alam nila na tayo ay chine-champion natin yung Amazon sa mga Pilipino. Nagbigay sila ng ito and sabi nila kung halimbawa mag-open ka pa ng account and wala ka pang account, they can help you if you're having trouble just by using this one. Okay, yun po. It's not an affiliate account, by the way. Paano pag wala? Paano pag wala na ang... okay, sorry. Okay, Rich, paano kung wala po tayong passport, credit card, or bank? Huwag kang mag-alala dahil marami rin kaming student before na nawala nito. but they work on it. Kailangan ko talaga siya. Required siya. So, okay lang. Take your time. Pwede kang, passport is the most easy to get. So, hindi ko lang sure kung gaano katagal yung ngayon, pag-process. Pero yun po, okay? Kailangan ko talaga siya. Okay. So, 15 working days. Alright, yan, 15 working days. And, credit card, apply ka lang sa any bank. I think they will get credit credentials. Amos, recognizable CC. Yeah, o any, BDO, BPI, basta Visa and MasterCard, I think yung pinaka lagi nilang. Alright. Ayan, we can also tap business partner or closest relative to register. Okay naman. Pwede si husband, pwede si mother if you want, or si father if they have. Pwede po yun. Okay. Alright. Ang bank statement po ba need na may high balance? No. No, they don't look for bank statement with a high balance. They only look for confirmation of your address that you put inside the Amazon Seller Central. Yan. GCash statement. May experience ka ba na ito, Coach Jar? Feeling, first time ko narinig yung GCash statement.
GCash parang wala pa akong. Wala pa
Wala
tayong
pa.
ng GCash. Oo.
So,
Payoneer pwede. Payoneer. Payoneer statement.
here, pwede. Yan. Credit card statement? I think yes. Tama ba, Coach? Credit card statement.
Yes, pwede credit card statement.
Electric bill? I think so. Pero may mga electric bill kasi na nakalagay sa parang parang resibo ng, wag yun. Wag yun. Bawal yun. Yan. Online loadable credit card. Ha. I think so. As long as it's Masters and Visa, baka pwede po. Debit card, parang lately, may certain time po na hindi tinatanggap yung debit card. So, okay lang din if you prepare credit card. Kahit 10,000 lang yung amount nun. Okay? Bank statement, they will require for your, tawag dito, statement of, tawag doon? Yung address. Kaya kailangan. Oh, yeah, for anyone, for people who are living outside of the Philippines, gamitin niyo po yung credentials niyo in in Canada, mas madali. Canada address, credit card, ID, yes, by all means, use it. May mga kilala ko, taga UAE sila, yun yung ginamit nila, ID sa UAE, credit card, passport, that's mabilis po. Yes, you can change address later on. Credit card na misis ang gagamitin. Pwede ba ito, Coach Jam? Okay, sige.
Previously pwede, Coach. Pwede kang gumamit ng credit card ng ibang tao. Previously pero early this year, meron silang bagong directive, although meron pa rin nakaka-register na merong na iba yung so it wouldn't hurt to try.
Yeah. Ayan, Sila Cheryl. Taga-US siya and less than 24 hours lang approve na. Mabilis na po talaga yung approval. Yeah. And yun nga, if meron kayong problem, just use this. Saan na ba yung kanina? Yeah, use this. Tapos, itatap ko yung contact natin sa Amazon to help you with the process. Okay? Alright, so ngayon, we will discuss ano ba yung mga skill set of an Amazon seller or, in short, ano ba yung how to sell on Amazon, basically. Ano bang ginagawa dyan, Coach Lesh? Okay, so, pag-uusapan muna natin. First, product research. Of course, kailangan natin po ng maghanap ng product since we want a private label. So what's the difference? No, ano yung mga kailangan na um, na tip for products na kailangan kong hanapin? Una, hanap po tayo ng small product. Small because you can easily ship the product pag maliit. Imagine, pag magbabarko yan, or you will ship it via air or via sea. Pag mas maliit, mas mura. Pag mas malaki, malaki yung singil sa inyo. So, sa una, I prefer small. Alright? So, ano pa ba? The price point of the product is 20 to 40. So, I will, um, ngayon po, pupunta ako sa, hindi ito usually kasama sa presentation. But, since you are all special, okay lang ba na pumunta tayo sa Amazon? I'm gonna share my screen. Okay lang po ba yon? Can you type 8 in the chat box if okay? Wala naman siguro kayong lakad, no? Okay. Sige, I'll share my screen, ha? Okay. Magla-log in lang. Ay, okay. Magla-log out lang po ako. Kasi pag naka-login ako, yung history ng nire-research ko, yun lang. So, ano siya, alright. So, share screen. Um, okay. Ay, sorry. Ano ba to? Nakita niyo po ba yung screen ko? I'll share a screen and then I can go. Ayan. Ang bongga. Okay. Can you see my screen? Sorry, can you see Amazon? Teka, paano ko ba makikita yung chat niyo? Alright. Yes. Okay. You can see Amazon. Ano. So, ayun. So, maghahanap tayo. We will do a lot of product research through the Amazon platform mismo. So, ano ba yung hahanapin natin? Una, we will, ay maliit yung screen. Okay. Share ko na yung screen. How about this one? Malaki ba yung screen? Okay na? Mas okay na. Okay. Better, malaki na po yung... Alright, sige. So, we will find small product and then I'll, same. Maliit lang yung screen. Anyway, for those, okay na. We will go to the bestseller. Ito po. Ay, siguro dahil malaki yung screen ko, kaya maliit sa inyo. Sorry. Hanapin natin. Yan. Better? Yan. Malaki kasi yung screen ko pala. Alright. So, we will go to bestseller. Dito po. So, lagi niyo pong tatandaan that you should update the location kasi wherever you are, it's gonna be pin on your location. So, ako lagi kong kiniklik yon and 90210. Yan. Para mas mabilis. Beverly Hills 90210. Okay, and then you click apply. Done, and then it's gonna be here. So therefore, lahat na makikita nyo ngayon are products available for shipping inside the US. Ay, no sound. Can everyone hear me po? Kasi sabi ng iba, no sound daw po. Yes po, okay. Baka po, try to click the audio down. Okay, sige. Ayan, may sound. Alright. So, after po nun, pupunta tayo dito sa bestseller. Bestseller. Ngayon, may kita niyo po yung sobrang daming products dito sa baba. Tawag dyan are categories. We call it, hindi namin siya tinatawag na department, but we call it the categories. Arnel, yan. Kung nasa PH ba kayo, PH din? No, ako, I will put this one talaga, US. Kaya yun yung first step natin. Dahil if you want to sell on Amazon US, therefore, ang mga taga-US talaga yung kumbaga target market. And kung ano yung product na nakikita nila, yun lang yung mag-a-appear dito pag if this is Philippines, kung ano lang available na ma-ship sa Philippines, yun lang yung magpapakita dito. So, inaccurate na agad. Yan po. Alright. So, ano yung mga department na pwede nating tingnan? Hindi naman sa may bawal sa iba, pero yung iba kasi, mahirap, ano yung gaya nito, mga appliances. Of course, we don't want to sell appliances agad-agad. Sabi nga natin, very small. So, maghahanap tayo ngayon ng category. So, for example, can you give a category? Ayan, below. Ano bang category ang gusto po natin? Halimbawa, home decor. Alright, thank you, Julieta. Home decor. Home and kitchen. Yeah, we'll go to home and kitchen. And then, home decor. Alright, so eto po. Kiklik natin yung home decor. Okay. So, may kita ngayon, under the home and kitchen, there's a sub-niche na tinatawag natin. Ano ba yung sub-niche? Ibig sabihin nun, yung category na yun, meron pa siyang mga categories pa sa baba. No? And under the home decor, may iba't iba pang sub-niche pa, gaya ng artificial plants, candles, clock, pillows, stopper. So, maghahanap pa tayo dito. So, let's see. Anong mas gusto nyo? Sa hanap tayo. Artificial plants? Probably. Ano ba? Ano? Teka, may suggestion sa baba. Okay, for example, a decor. Sige, artificial plants and flowers. And smiling tayo dito sa mga artificial plants. So, may kita mo dito under artificial plants, meron na naman. May mga fruit, plants, trees, vegetables, swag. So, let's try artificial flowers. Alright. So, bakit sub-sub niche? Pag wala na doon, ibig sabihin, yun na yung hahanapan natin. So, for example dito, you can see that the best seller is the Lego Icon Key of Roses. So, ito po yung mga best seller. So, may kita mo dito, Amazon pa lang, Amazon mismo yung magsasabi kung ano yung mga best seller dun sa item nila. Or ano yung mga mas madalas mabenta sa Amazon mismo. Meaning, they will already give you the number, the demand, on what products ang pinaka mabenta. So makikita natin dito, ano ba? Yan yung itsura niyan, mga flowers, artificial flowers. Right? So, ngayon, may kita mo dito, pag naghanap ka, well, you already have, kumbaga you can gauge already, ano yung napapansin nyo na dito sa mga bestseller. Diba? Usually ganito. Right? And the Legos. So dito mapapansin nyo na Mother's Day or gifts. Right? Mother's Day. Dahil Mother's Day ngayon. Guys, kaya naman pala mabenta siya. Okay. And may mga artificial. So what are we going to find? First, we're going to find very small products. So, paano natin malalaman yun? Sige, let's try to click. Ano ba yung click natin? Dapat first page. Sige, let's try to click this one. Gahanap ako ng okay na ito. Cute. Alright, sige. Let's try to click this one. So, ang gusto ko dito, let's see if it's small. Paano natin malalaman kung gaano ba siya kalaki? Pupunta tayo sa pinakababa. Oh, ang laki niya. Okay, this one. Nakita nyo? Ganyan siya kalaki. Alright. If the product dimension is 5, um, 5, 5 by 4 by 5. So, malaki. Naghahanap tayo ng mga below 2 or below 1. Yan. Mas maliit, mas maganda. So, hanap tayo. What if this one? $12. Ayan. So, gano'n siya kalaki? Puntahan natin siya sa baba. Okay. Kita nyo? Weight niya is 31 ounce. And 5 inches. Medyo malaki yun. Siguro marami. So, pupunta tayo ng product information niya. So, what can we see based on the listing here? Pag makagahanap tayo ng competitor, I suggest na dapat ang rating is 1,000 and below. Rating meaning review. Dahil pag nag-compete ka na sa 1,000 and up, and ang hirap kumuha ng review ngayon, therefore, sino bang mas papansinin? Ikaw na nagsisimula pala? O yung meron ng 2,000 plus na review? So, a happy Mother's Day to Mary and everyone here. Okay, so, dapat, at least mga 1,000 and below or 500 reviews and below. Ayan. I hope you're taking note ha, para pwede na kayo magsimula ngayon or mamaya after our discussion. Also, ang titingnan din po natin ngayon is yung image. Maganda ba siya? Kasi may mga image na pangit. And pag may image na pangit, kayang-kaya natin, kumbaga, kayang-kaya natin makipag-compete, 'di ba? Doon. So, ano pa ba? May mga variation siya. So, sabi ko nga dun sa sharing ko, ang tip ko dati, pag may variation, mas magandang, kumbaga, maganda siyang unang ibenta dahil pag okay sa ano to? Pag okay sa ganito, pwede ka pang mag-iba't ibang klaseng, kumbaga pwede ka mang mag-variation tulad nung sa akin, di ba? May TV cover ako and may iba't ibang color, may iba't ibang sizes. So at least, pwede mo siyang expand. Alright? So saan pa? Pwede ka pa rin tumingin sa frequently bought together. So sa frequently bought together, titingnan mo kung ano pa iba yung mabibenta and pwede ka pang kumuha dito ng idea, no? Kung ano yung pwede mong ibenta na ibang product or titingnan mo kung baka pwede etong necktie and etong breastlet band magkasama sa isang package, 'di ba? Malay mo, wala pang gumagawa nun. So pwede 'yun. And then aside doon, pwede kang pumunta dito sa reviews. Pwede kang pumunta dito sa 1 or 2 star. So punta tayo dito sa 2 star. And pwede nating tingnan ano ba yung mga pwede pa nating i-improve doon sa product. So for example, the greenery was plastic and looked terrible. Yun. Ayaw nila ng mukhang plastic and hard, ugly plastic. So it means gusto nila yung medyo authentic tignan. Okay, ano pa ba? Ayan, tingnan natin ito. Oh, may holes. Ayan. And the ribbon is off. So the quality, no, yun yung tinitingnan nila. Ayaw nila ng may holes. Bakit nga naman kasi may hole? Okay, no one can figure. Very pretty in pictures, but no one knew how to pin the pin work to get them on. It was confusing. And it was dirty. So, meaning, kung halimbawa po tayo yung gagawa nito, syempre, we will make sure that there will be proper instruction on how to use it. We will make sure that it's gonna look real, no? And we will check kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating improve. So, ayan. Alright? And hindi lang isa yung titingnan natin, marami pang tayong titingnan. Alright? So, okay, I will stop sharing this one lang po and I will go back to our PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Kaya pwede niyo pong yung tingnan, no? Pwede niyo po yung tingnan lagi ang inyong ang Amazon para makita niyo po yung mga sinishare na. Ah, sorry, one moment po. I'm gonna open the slide. Okay. Magic. All right. Yeah, I hope everyone can see me again. Okay. Bumalik siya sa una. Okay, ayan. Ang dami na natin na-discuss. Oh my God, it's 10:51. Oh, I'm sorry if... Okay, it's already 10:51. We're almost 1 hour. Pero wala pa ako sa ano. Yeah. I am sorry. Ang dami ko pala, ang dami na nating napag-usapan. Is it okay with you if we go a little bit, ano pa? If I can extend the time? Okay po. Sige, thank you so much. All right. So, again, small, very small. Kasi, I want I want this webinar to be full pack. Pumunta kayo dito. Dahil gusto ko pag uwi nyo, pwede na kayong mag-start, no? Mag-research, pwede na kayong mag-start mag-create ng Amazon, pwede na kayong mag-launch, ganon. Okay, so, okay ba yun? Alright, sige. Alright, so ngayon, product research, hanap kayo ng small, gaya nakita natin kanina. And 20 to 40, $17, if I'm not mistaken, yung price niya. Kasi pag bumaba ka sa $20, konti na lang yung profit mo. And pag tumaas ka naman sa $40, sobrang mahal naman. I mean, mahal din siya. So, usually $20 to $40 yung tinitingnan na. Sa simula. Yan. So, at least 30% margin profitable. Mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo. Will the recording be sent to us via email? Sure po, Miss Teresa. Okay. It should be low to zero competition. It should be unique. So, kanina, nakita niyo flour. Ano ba yung pwede? Diba? Pwede bang dried real flour? Pwede bang medyo mas malaki pa? Or something? Yan. So, yan. It should be what people are searching for. So, dapat doon sa bestseller and the product that can be improved. Kasi pag wala na masyadong pwedeng improve sa product, parang bakit pa nila tayo pipiliin? Yan. So, nilagay ko rin dito, the riches are in the niches. Ibig sabihin, pag mas sub-niche, mas maganda siyang ibenta and mas makaka-compete tayo sa bestseller. Okay? So, gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano maging profitable ang product? Next. Binibigay na talaga namin sa inyo, no? Giveaway na talaga. Okay, para full pack ang ating lesson for today. Sige po. Pupunta lang po ako sa calculator. Ayan. Naku, mawawalan naman ako sa screen. I'm so sorry. Okay. Alright. Continue as guest. Nakikita niyo po? I hope you can see my screen. So this is the revenue calculator. I can share with you sa chat box yung link for this one. Ayan. So, for ano ba ilalagay niyo dito? Nakalagay ASIN or UBC. So, pupunta tayo dito, nahanapin natin yung ASIN. Hindi ito yung gagamitin yung mamaya, tanghali, hindi siya asin. ASIN yung tawag dito is alphanumeric code of Amazon to know what the product is. So, you're gonna click on this. Ito siya. Usually, nasa taas. Ito siya. Nakita niyo po? Okay, you're gonna copy and then you're gonna paste here. Search. Ay. Refresh. Continue as this. Tapos paste. Alright. Search ayaw. Define product dimension to view estimate. Sige, hanap po tayo ng ibang product. Ayaw nyo dun sa product na yun. How about this one? Ang mura, $9. Diba sabi natin, 20 to 40 at least? O hanap tayo ng 20 to 40. Ayan, ito. Wow. Ay, 18 pala to. Pero pwede na rin. Yeah. So, we can go here. I-click nyo lang po yung alphanumeric ASIN. And then, search another product. Search. Ayan. Pag may nakita na po kayong ganito, sa baba, no? Yan. Ibig sabihin yan, ito na yung calculator. So, it's going to help us compute if how much is the profit will be. So, this one is Amazon Fulfillment and this one naman is FBM or yung Fulfilled by Merchant na pinag-usapan natin kanina. So, the item price is $18, $18.99. May Amazon fee po tayo. So, ito po yung mga fee na nagtatanong, ano yung mga fee na kailangan pong bigay sa Amazon? So, it's $39.99 a month on Amazon. And then, may mga referral fee siya. May closing fee, may variable closing fee. Pero zero na may nakalagay. May fulfillment cost. Fulfillment cost is yung pag-stay niya sa warehouse, yun. Pag kumbaga pag dala sa warehouse, pag alis, yun. It's all in here. The fulfillment cost. Okay? And then, ilalagay natin may storage cost. Ibig sabihin, yung pag-store din niya doon. Fulfillment is pagdala sa Amazon, and pag-alis sa Amazon. Kumbaga para siyang JNT dito sa Pilipinas. Ano pa ba? LBC, ganyan. A storage cost naman is yung pag-stay sa warehouse nila. So, ito, magkaiba siya ng January and October. Shipping to Amazon, ito yung, halimbawa, nakuha na natin yung item, tapos papadali na natin sa Amazon via air or via sea. Aalamin natin ngayon kung magkano siya and i-divide natin doon sa number of products. So, usually, cents lang naman pag magaan. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, dapat magaan yung item. So, sabihin na natin na $0.2 yung shipping fee to Amazon dahil magaan. Okay? So, we will so, makikita mo ngayon, ay ba tayo niya magbago? Try natin. Gawin natin 0.5. Ayan, nababago. Nakikita nyo? Nababago siya. Mga 0.6. Ayan. So, makikita mo, ang net profit niya ay $10 per item. And ang net margin mo is 55%. Ngayon, estimated sale, ilan ba ang nabebentang ganito? Ilan kaya? Paano natin yun malalaman, Coach Fish? Ewan ko lang ha. Try ko to. Ay, hindi kailangan palang mag-sign in. So, meron tayo ibang tools para malaman kung magkano, ay kung ilan ang nabebenta nito. Gaya ng Jungle Scout Calculator. Baka abutin tayo ng 12 o'clock nito, guys, ha? Pero, sige na nga. para sa inyo. Estimator. Di ba? Para na kayong umattend ng course ng FAM. Okay ba sa inyo yun? Okay. So, for example, ito, marketplace natin, US, and ang category natin kanina ay home. Nasa home decor. Anyway. And nag-rank, ito po, BSR, best-selling rank. Makita po natin yan sa baba. Dito. Clothing siya. Okay. For example, ito, clothing. So, hanap tayo. Punta tayo dito sa clothing. Ay, ano ba yun? Ba na click ko? Okay, clothing and then seller rank, 11,000. And then we calculate. The estimated sales per month is 2,017. Punta tayo ng revenue calculator. 2017. So, ang net profit niya dito ay tumataginting na 21,767. So, in peso, 55 eh. 21,767.87 times 55. Ilan ang peso ngayon, guys? 55, 56. Sample, 55. Okay ba? 55? Ayan. So, isusulat ko dito. Riza, dapat, dapat individual po. Sige, papatulong tayo dyan. 57 na ang piso to dollar. So, sabihin na natin na 56. Sige. Fine. 57. So, sabihin na natin na 21,767.87 times 57. Guys, 1,240,768 pesos, 0.59. 1 million net. Ulitin ko. Net profit. Ibig sabihin, wala na dyan yung storage cost, wala na yung fulfillment fee, na, okay, para lang sa isang item. Okay ba? Sinong gustong magkaroon ng 1 million net profit monthly? Diba? Lahat tayo, diba? Okay. So, bongga. Ayan. So, ganyan lang po. Paano makita magkano kinikita nun? Ayan. Diba? Punta ka lang dito. Search mo. I already gave you the calculator and the estimator. You can now compute. Alright? Diba? 1 million. Back. Saya lang. Okay. Stop share ko. May natutunan ba kayo? Who's learning so far? Can you type 7 in the chat box kung may natutunan kayong bago today? Yes, ganyan tayo. Gusto natin. Everyday is a new discovery. Okay, share ko po ulit ang aking screen. And hindi pa tayo tapos. Nasa product launching pa lang tayo, no? Alright. So, after ng product launching, anong gagawin na natin? Siyempre, pag nakahanap na tayong product, halimbawa, gusto natin yung, yan na mismo, yung, ano ba yung tawag doon? Necktie? Ano ba yung, ito? Necktie. Okay, gusto natin necktie. Necktie, ayan, bumalik na naman. Necktie, ngayon, maghahanap na tayo ng supplier ng necktie. So, again, guys, tapos na tayo sa product research. Yan, yung Jungles Cut na sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina, try nyo yung Kipan Helium 10. Although, guys, may mga bayad kasi yung iba. Yung binigay ko sa inyo kanina, libre. Okay? So, ngayon, pag kumuha kayo ng Helium 10 extension, Kipan, may mga bayad na yung iba dyan. Alright? But you can try. Okay? Anyway, Ma'am Lish, Coach Lish, gusto ko necktie. How can I find the supplier? Okay. Hanap lang kayo sa Alibaba. And of course, our best friend, Google. So, type niyo lang Google, pero manufacturer ang ilalagay. Right? Then, pagka-select natin ng, pagkahanap natin ng supplier, no? Okay, since 11 o'clock na, dapat i-share ko yung Alibaba, pero baka abutin nga tayo ng alas 12. So, punta na kayo Alibaba, guys. And then, pipili kayo doon ng mga supply. And napakarami yung makikita talaga ng necktie. Same na same. So, pag nakita kayo ng necktie, syempre, minsan, pareho sa picture, pero iba sa personal. So, what are you going to do? You're going to, initiate chat with the supplier. And, warning lang, syempre, Chinese tong mga to. So, madalas, barok yung English nila. So, dapat talagang makikipag-communicate ka clearly as possible. So, sabihin mo sa kanila yung item na gusto mo, pwede mo padala sa kanila yung picture, and then magtatanong ka kung magkano sa kanila. So, nakagather ka ngayon. Hindi lang isa dapat na supplier, marami. Pag nakagather ka ngayon, yung pinaka-best price, dun ka mamimili. O, ito, secret. Secret number 2. Okay na ba kayo? Game na kayo para malaman. Ang next is, ang secret number 2, papadala niyo sa bahay niyo mismo yung mga sample. Minimum 3 suppliers. Papadala niyo sa bahay. Pag pumunta na kayo sa bahay niyo, tingnan niyo kung ano yung mas okay. Magugulat kayo lahat, magkakaiba. Pero pare-pareho sa picture yon, diba? Ayan. So, pare-pareho picture, ginagaya lang nila yung mga picture. Pero pag tingin mo, wow, it makes a lot of difference to see the sample. So, mili ka doon, ano yung pinakagusto mo. Yung winner, doon ka magne-negotiate and magpa-place ng order. Okay? So, okay ba tayo sa supplier research? Okay. Ngayon, di mag-order ka na sa sa supplier mo, magbabayad ka, and then habang hinihintay mo yung production, kasi mag-uusap kayo ng packaging, ano ba yung box, ano ba yung logo na ilalagay mo, ganyan. Ngayon, magpa-product listing na tayo. Ano yung product listing? Ang product listing, yung ginawa kanina, nakita nyo yung may picture, may title, or, di ba nakita nyo kanina sa taas? Tapos may mga picture dun sa baba. Yun yung product listing. Yun yung gagawin nyo, no, doon mismo sa Amazon. And then, sasabihin nung supplier, oh, ma'am, 45 days na nagawa na namin yung product. Ano na po yung susunod na gagawin natin? Oh, sasabihin mo na, sige, papadala natin yan sa Amazon. So, Amazon, mag-download lang tayo ng, may label sila, and it's very easy. Papadala ka ng, sa kanila, parang ili-label dun sa box. And you know what? Hindi mo siya kailangan ipadala dito sa Pilipinas. So, from US, papadala natin siya from China, papadala natin siya sa US directly. Okay. Pag may mga question kayo, sabihin niyo lang. Alright. So, ayan. Ngayon, di papadala na. Mamimili ka via air ba o via sea. And then, papadala sa Amazon warehouse. So, ano na mangyayari? And ano yung difference pala ng sea and air? Ang difference po, yung sea, usually, sa experience ko, 30 to 45 days. Medyo matagal. Sa air naman, may tinatawag na fast air and normal air. May ganun ngayon. Meron nga fast sea and normal sea. So, sa air, usually 7 days. No, yun yung pinakamabilis. Slow air, minsan 2 weeks. So, Arnoline, sure. Okay lang po, sige. Yeah. Mas madali talaga sa air. But, ano naman yung consequences nun? Siyempre, pag air, dahil mas mabilis, mas mahal. And pag sea, mas mura dahil mas matagal. So, anong pipiliin mo, Miss Lish? Di ba, yan na yan eh. Okay. Ang pipiliin ko, kung magla-launch ng product, first time, I will pick air. Why? Kasi, naniniwala ako that time is gold. Time is gold. Okay, na-apply din yan dito. Mas gusto mo mas mabilis na ROI, gusto mo mabilis matry. So, via air ko pinapadala yung first batch ko. Pero, pag nakita ko na okay, nabenta, may demand, pangalawang beses na akong magpapadala, via Sina. At titingnan ko na yung kung gaano karaming product malalaman ko na. So, the more na nagiging okay yung product, the more na nakakuha ko ng data, the more na see ako, dahil alam ko na kung gaano katagal yung pagbenta niya, gaano karami, 'di ba? So, tsaka ako nagsisi. Okay. Miss Mechi. Coach, how much po dapat ang capital? Ayan, I mean po more or less. Okay. So, nakita niyo yung kaninang yung dye, yung, ano tawag? Yung necktie. Yung necktie, di ba 2,000 siya? So, usually, 2,000 ang demand niya kada buwan. Pero usually, ang mga supplier naman, mag-aas lang yan ng minimum ng 100 or 50 pieces kung makahanap kayo. So, halimbawa, nakuha natin siya ng $5. Oh, ay, hindi, mahal na yun. Sabihin natin na $2. So, $2 times 100 pieces minimum is equals to $200. Times 57 pesos, 11,400. So, how much? Siyempre, wala pa dito yung packaging, yung air, yung fee sa air. So, pwede na rin siyang dagdagan. So, ang halaga ng first item mo ay mga nasa $20,000 to $25,000. Pero kami, sa farm, sinasuggest namin, OA talaga, kasabihin namin 150,000 yung kailangang pera mo sa bangko, at least. Bakit? Dahil, pag halimbawang biglang na sold out, halimbawa nag-order ka, sabihin natin 25,000, 50,000 yung unang order mo, bigla kang na sold out. Diba? And yung pag sold out na yon, yung pera, nasa Amazon pa. And 2 weeks pa bago makarating sa'yo. Wala kang pera ngayon. Anong gagawin mo? Kailangan mo umorder eh. So, another 50,000. Diba? Another 50,000, kailangan order ka na ng second batch mo. Para tuloy-tuloy yung, kumbaga tuloy-tuloy yung negosyo. Hindi ka out of stock. Kasi pag na out of stock ka, bababa yung ranking mo, sasabihin ng mga, guys, etong sinasabi ko, ano to? Magagalit sa akin si Coach Jam, paid information na to, kaya makinig kayo, okay? Alright. So, pagka yung 50,000, pag nag-order ka uli, kukunin mo yung 50,000 out of your pocket, para ma-order mo, and pag na-order mo, na out of stock, tamang-tama lang nakarating na yung second batch of item. So, do you get why is it 150,000 plus? Okay. Kasi, kailangan meron kang, makukuha agad. Alright. Ma'am, paano niyo po na-check yung product na pinadala sa Amazon? Is the same quality. Okay. So, paano mo malalaman? You can hire third-party inspector in China. Yeah, revolving fund. Meron ba akong third party? Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Hindi ako nag-third party. Ang ginagawa ko lang is pinadala ko yung item. Tapos dahil kasundo ko na yung forwarder namin, pinapacheck ko yung item. Pero yun, you can hire third party inspector. I think it's gonna be worth it dahil alam mo na, China yan eh, 'di ba? Kailangan natin lagi na. So, yeah. Alright. So, ito na. Nakarating na yung item sa Amazon. Maglo-launch na tayo, guys. Ano ba yung launching? Ano ba yung product launching? Product launching is just the same sa business dito sa traditional, 'di ba? Sa mall, may mga malalakas na sounds, may balloons, ganyan. Same with the launching is for everyone to know. So how? How are we going to do it? we are going to contact a lot of reviewers. Sa Amazon po, ang legit na reviews is Vine review. And search nyo na po yung Vine review. You're going to give them a product for free in exchange of their ads. You're also going to do Amazon ads, social media, itong Vine ads and Amazon ads within Amazon. Okay? I think this is the required. Itong social media, email marketing, and messenger bot, these are optional. Ito yung something na hindi ko ginawa. But you can also do this. Pwede ka mag-social media, marketing, Instagram, TikTok. Ayan, pwede mo i-launch, pwede mo kumuha ng influencer. Pwede mo kunin yung mga email nila. How? Siguro, doon sa magkaroon ka ng website and then pwede mong kunin yung email nila and you can send offers. Messenger bot naman, if you have social media, Facebook, pwede kang makipag-communicate sa kanila through Messenger. Yan. Okay? And a bot, Messenger bot. Alright? So, many ways to launch a product. Okay. So, halimbawa, nag-launch tayo ng product, bumenta na, diba? Ano na yung gagawin ngayon? Guys, meron pa tayong account maintenance. And ano yung account maintenance? This is how naman you maintain the daily operations of the business. So, what do you need in your Amazon business to maintain it? Okay? In a, kumbaga, healthy way. Alright. First is the customer support. Kung hindi mo ito magagawa, you can always find a virtual assistant to check every day kung may messages. At pwede rin naman sa phone. Nasa phone lang naman yan. So, ako, nakuha akong messages a day. 0 to 1. Wala po talaga masyado. Bakit? Bakit wala masyadong customer na nagbe-message? Kasi, ang usually concern ay shipping. Sino ba ang sumasagot ng shipping? Sige guys, kung nakikinig pa kayo, sino ang sumasagot ng shipping? Pa-type sa chat box para alam ko nakikinig pa kayo. Okay, thank you. Amazon, di ba? So, ang ganda. Sino sumasagot ng shipping? Amazon. Ang sumasagot ng customer support pagdating sa shipping ay Amazon. Pag hindi pa natatanggap ng customer, ang sasagot, Amazon. Pag hindi pa nakarating, pag kailangan ng tracking, Amazon, lahat yan. Sumasagot, right? So, ikaw, sasagot ka lang pag may problema dun sa produkto. Okay. Good? Okay. Q&A. Merong question and answer doon sa listing. Bihira yun. But you will also answer it. Seller feedback naman is mag-feedback sila sa'yo as a seller. You can also thank them. You can also send them message. Reviews, pwede kang mag-reply dun sa reviews. You say thank you or you say sorry and this is where they can contact you. Ayan. And of course, managing inventory. Managing inventory meaning kailangan mong tingnan. Hindi naman to everyday, pero time to time, probably once a week, once a month, kung ilan na yung stock and kung kailangan mo na mag-replenish. If you don't have time for this, you can also hire a virtual assistant to manage your inventory and order again from your supplier. Okay. And if you think sa iba sa inyo, sabi, Coach, parang maganda yung ginagawa ng mga virtual assistant. If you think that you're not yet ready to sell on Amazon and want to learn it while getting paid, you can also be an Amazon seller VA. Yeah, and we also have a course for this. It's called Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant. Ayan, okay? And this is the class for Amazon VA. Pwede niyo pong screenshot yan. And pwede niyo rin pong picture it. Just to check it out. No, how much? Okay. Pero if you really want to sell on Amazon, we also have a course called Filipino Amazon Masterclass. So, guys, gusto nyo ba ng libreng training? Hindi ba ito libre? Of course, libre to, pero meron pa kaming seller training. Ito naman, via email pinapadala. So, if you want, ang daming gift, ano? Okay. So if you want to learn how to launch international Amazon FBA business using our proven 10-step process, you can also check out this link above or take a picture of this one. Okay? Sige. Pa-picture lang po in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And marami po kaming mga students na gumagawa na rin po nito. Gaya nila Jansen. Sa bahay lang po niya, gumagawa siya. And marami na rin po kaming proven track record ng mga ganito. Ito po nung pandemic, nung isa kong estudyante, naka $62,000 siya. Wow, $62,000. In 3 months pa to. Wow. Okay, ayan. In 3 months, guys, 62,000. Magkano yun? 1 million per month. Right. Pwede na rin, diba? Actually, right now, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen because I have a question. Gusto nyo ba? Do you want to learn how my students do it? Gusto nyo bang makakilala ng isang estudyante ko? And ma-interview natin siya right now? Yes? Okay, sige. Tatawagin ko, hindi lang isa, kung hindi dalawa. Okay, sige. Unang tatawagin ko is si Coach Jam. Ayan. Si Coach Jam. Ay, wait lang.
Yan, hello.
Ay,
wala pa.
ayan. Add to spotlight. And tatawagan namin ang isa pang student, si Jeline? Jeline? Jeline, ayan. Jeline, I'll
Si Jeline.
add
Jeline Tayanes.
sa spotlight. Hi, Jeline.
Hello po. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Ayan. So, yeah, welcome to our webinar, Jeline and Coach Jam. So ngayon meron tayong 100,000 viewers watching us for our FAM webinar. But first of all, I want to know who is Coach Jam and Coach Jeline. So si Jeline muna. Sige, can you sino nga ba si Jeline before joining the Filipino Amazon Masterclass?
Hello, I'm Jeline. I'm originally from Cagayan de Oro. Tapos, self-employed na ako. Meron akong wholesale retail store at saka factory ng processed meat. Narinig ko yung Amazon way back 2014. Yung sister ko nag-enroll din sa Amazon Academy. Shinare niya sa akin. And then, expensive kasi for me that time. And then, may source of income na ako. So, dinadma ko lang siya, hindi ko lang siya pinansin. Eventually, nung pandemic, 2021, parang nakita ko na gusto ko din mag-business online para diversify ng passive income. So, nag-enroll ako kay Amazon Nation, 2021 batch 9. Tapos, nung time na yon, overwhelmed ako. Hindi ko siya nagawa. So, nagawa ko lang siya last year, July 2023. Yan po.
Okay, 2023. Wow, ang haba nun. Oo. Sige, pakilala muna natin si Coach Jam. And bakit kita tinatawag na coach? Okay, sino si Coach Jam?
Ayan, hello, good morning pa ba? Ayan, good morning pa to everyone. Yeah, so background ko for joining FAM or before doing Amazon is matagal na ako nasa landscape ng online selling. So, kung sino mga nakaka-remember pa sa mga naunang mga naunang platforms na nawala na ngayon. So, yun, matagal na ako nasa online selling. And before that, as entrepreneur din. So, ibang types ng business. Pero I'm more familiar familiar with foods. Yun. So, 2018, the very first batch. And then, after about 2 years, 2020, I started the company. Yun. I started here in the company as a coach also of FAM. Yeah. So, up until now, so we are the ones na nag-guide sa students at saka answer to troubleshoot after you launch your products. Yun.
Ayan, yeah. Thank you, Coach Jams. Coach Jam naman ay nasa San Juan ba ngayon? San Juan nga ba? Or sa San Juan, ayan. So, medyo napuputol ka lang, Coach Jam, but let us know if you can hear us. Okay. Ayan. Yeah, going back to Jeline, yan. So, sabi mo late ka na nag-continue ng Amazon business. May I know the reason why? Yeah.
Yes. So nung 2021, so nag-enroll ako ng course. Tapos na-overwhelm lang ako during that time. Tapos hindi ko pa masyadong na-feel yung need kasi parang okay pa naman ako. Up until last year, July 2023, sabi ko kailangan na. Kasi ayun yung business ko kasi sa Mindanao lang siya. Kasi Process Beach siya. So I wanna go international.
Wow. Okay. Kaya mo pinag-aralan yung Amazon because you want to learn how to work internationally.
Yes.
Sell your brand internationally. Okay. So, ayun. Okay, see. Okay. Ngayon, nung nasa loob ka ng Amazon, I mean, nasa Filipino Amazon Masterclass ka, kumusta yung experience? Nalaman mo ba kung paano mag-launch talaga? And eventually ba na ano mo yung process meet na launch mo sa Amazon? What happened? Anong nangyari?
Yes. So, nag-start ako last July. So, during that time, up until now naman, lagi ako nakikinig about Amazon. So, parang crazy ako about Amazon sa YouTube, anything ganon. And then, nakikinig din ako ng mga mistakes from other YouTuber na nag-Amazon selling din. Yung nakuha ko dun sa class is complete na talaga siya. Parang nagsasabi, yung sa mga napapanood ko, nag-share sila ng mga mistakes. Mas parang nare-realize ko na, parang hala, na-avoid ko na tong mistakes na to dahil dun sa course. Tapos yun, parang hindi ma-overwhelm. Tinetake ko yung course per chapter, tapos take action agad. Tapos per chapter, tapos paulit-ulit siya pakinggan kasi may mga ma-miss out ka. And then nag-enjoy din talaga ako makinig sa mga sharings kasi nag-share din sila ng personal experience na hindi ko basta-basta makuha sa iba. Kasi iba din yung, lalo na Filipino tayo, so mas makaka-relate. So, ayun, natutunan ko lahat. Naka-lunch ako last March and then happy naman ako sa result. May mga
Wow!
challenges na na-encounter pero in general, happy talaga ako sa result.
Congrats! Naka-launch ka na. So, from July, pinag-aralan mo yung mga videos. And kailan ka nag-start na mag-product research? July talaga. Last year.
Actually, yes, July coach.
Oo.
Nakahanap na ako in 1 week. Tapos, nag-continue pa ako naghanap para may mga options ng mga products. So, mga 1 month coach. Tapos, naka-finalize na ako ng product.
1 month? Wow! Di ba? Masasabi mo bang madali o mahirap ang product research?
Kaya naman siya, coach. Nasa personality na lang ng tao kung anong type ng product yung pipiliin.
Oo, yeah. So, sabi ni congrats daw. March 2024, yes. Na-launch na niya. So, ilang buwan ka ding naghintay sa production nung iyong product?
Actually, coach, mga around 2 months siya. May nangyari kasi, coach, na by accident na post ko yung listing ko around November.
Mhm.
Tapos may nag-report sa akin na copyright infringement. Yes,
Wow.
and then
Agad-agad.
prior to checking sa product, deciding para sa product, mag-check na ako ng IP. So kasama din siya sa course to make sure na okay talaga yung product. So ginawa ko na yung dapat gawin para secure yung product ko. And then, nag-consult ako ng dalawang lawyer. Dalawa yung nagsabi na may laban yung product. So, pinush ko na siya. Tapos, after a month, na-reinstate yung account ko. So, na okay yung listing ko ulit. So, that's the only time na nakapa-ship ako and then dumating sa Amazon by March.
Okay. CBC, madali lang naman yung production kasi nagkaroon ka ng problema doon sa report ng infringement. O diba? I mean, for a seller na unang sabak, first product mo to, diba?
Yes, coach.
First product, tapos biglang, kasi guys, ano yan nightmare Pag halimbawa open mo ng seller central account mo, tapos sabihin na parang may nag-report sa'yo or merong account at risk yung nakalagay, minsan pula pa siya, and minsan may warning sign pa siya, ang nakakakaba talaga yon. So, buti nakahanap ka agad ng lawyer and nag-research ka talaga. Nakinig ka dun sa course, yun yung pinaka-importante.
Yes.
And surpass mo yung sa infringement issue. Okay. So sa after nun, tuloy-tuloy na padala mo agad yung product.
Yes, coach. And then about sa lawyer, nakuha ko din yung information ng lawyer sa private group ng FAM. So every time na may mga questions ako, doon talaga ako nagko-consult. Tapos nakakakuha naman ako ng valuable answer. So eto yung lawyer na nakatulong sa akin, doon ko nakita, tinype ko lang siya, coach, copyright infringement, parang way back 2018 mo pa yata yun na post, coach. Yung about sa lawyer.
Yes. Actually, 'di ba, very hindi naman sa pero talaga yun yung goal ever since na magkaroon ng community. And particularly Filipino community kasi we speak the same language and probably has the same culture. Lahat tayo talagang hindi papayag na hindi papayag na isang kumbaga trouble lang bibigay na tayo agad. So yeah. And thank you for sharing the end on sa community about dun sa community. So etong pagka dating ng product mo, nag-launch ka agad sa Amazon?
Yes. So pagdating ng product ko, syempre ni-review ko naman yung nasa course. Tapos nag-launch na ako, nag-PPC din ako, coach.
Nag-PPC ka din. Ayan, good. Ayan, so meron ka bang tip na mabibigay sa kanila na syempre, ang dami mong pinagdaanan bago mo talaga na-launch yung course. So, ano bang tip ang mabibigay mo sa ating listeners ngayong umaga?
So, always kasi when we get into a thing, titignan natin kung sino yung naging successful. Sila yung i-role model natin. Hindi natin i-entertain yung mga negative kasi pipili ka, doon ka magjo-join sa nagna-negative or doon ka magjo-join sa may mga achievements na doon. So example si Coach Lish, ilang years na siya, naging patient lang talaga at saka fight lang. So yun din yung mentality ko noon, Coach, kasi parang nakaka-disappoint na first product tapos patent infringement. Pero ayun, ginaw ko lang talaga siya. Tapos ngayon, okay yung sales. So, actually, parang realization ko din, pag mas mahirap, meaning konti lang yung makikipaglaban doon na area. So, meaning, pag mag-win ka doon, mag-win ka talaga. Yun. So, ano din, Coach, ayun, di ba nagbe-business ako? So, yung Amazon talaga is a good venue na you earn in dollar, tapos less tao kasi masakit sa ulo yung maraming tao. Tapos, ayun, maraming possibilities.
Yeah. Mako-compare mo ang traditional business versus sa Amazon. By the way, may I ask, ilan po ba ang empleyado mo ngayon sa Amazon business mo?
Sa Amazon business ko, Coach, ako lang. Yung sa traditional business ko, nasa mga 80.
80? 80? Oh my God.
So, yun.
Naman.
So, masasaya sa Amazon. Although, happy naman din nakaka-give ng pero yun, balance lang.
Okay, ayan. Parang ako, traditional business, of course, the coaching, nasa 40 around 40 plus, ganyan kami. Pero sa Amazon ko ngayon, ako lang din. Ayan. So yeah, thank you for sharing that. And ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tip mo. Meron pa akong isang very curious lang ako. May nabanggit kang course kanina na hindi ko na Amazon Academy.
Ay,
Amazon
Coach,
Academy.
amazing. Parang classmates ata kayo ng sister ko, Coach.
Talaga? Hindi ko siya kilala. Hindi ko pa siya naririnig. Pero yung kapatid mo ba yung nag-enroll doon?
Yes.
Bakit instead na doon ka mag-enroll, dito ka nag-enroll sa Amazonation?
Kasi Coach, Filipino, tapos nanonood din ako ng mga YouTube videos niyo at saka comfortable po ako, Coach. And then, honest lang, Coach, during the time na nag-enroll ako, syempre parang excited ka. So, nagkuha din ako ng supplementary course sa Udemy. Tapos, parang hindi siya organized pa rin at saka magulo. So, parang sabi ko, hindi, mag-focus lang ako sa isa. So, yung sa course lang po natin. Tapos, sobrang grateful lang ako, Coach, na maraming mga mistakes akong na-avoid na naririnig ko sa iba because of the course.
That's good. Amazing. Amazing
Yes.
course. Oo. Ang mahal nun.
Yes.
Oo, ang mahal nun. I got that, guys, for 250,000. That time. Oo, medyo mahal. And thank you, Jeline, for sharing.
Thank you din, Coach. Thank you din, Coach Jam. Si Coach Jam pala din yung sobrang tumutulong sa akin, Coach, if may mga questions.
Ayan. Kaya importante na makilala niyo si Coach Jam ngayon. Going naman to Coach Jam. Si Coach Jam, bigyan ko kayo ng background. Batch 1 pa siya ng Amazon sa Filipino Amazon Masterclass. And actually, hindi na ako tumatanggap nun kasi very limited lang yung slot talaga ng per batch namin. Tapos sabi ko nun, pasensya na kasi close na. Tapos sabi niya, Coach, baka naman pwedeng humabol. Promise, hindi ako high maintenance mo yung tawag mo doon. Kayang-kaya ko to be an independent learner. Sabi ko, sige, okay. Tapos little did I know, siya talaga yung very good si Coach Jam kasi lagi siya talaga nag-i-implement ng mga lesson. And then eventually, talagang very helpful siya sa community until I invited her to become one of the coaches who will help us inside the community. And lucky enough that we have Coach Jam right here to share her story. So ikaw naman, Coach Jam, anong story ang buhay mo? Okay.
Yan, ang story ng buhay ko sa Amazon, sobrang daming failures on Amazon launches. Yan, so yung mga naunang failures ko, especially 2018, 2019, so doon galing lahat yung information na tinuturo ko sa mga students ngayon. So kasi maraming instances sa Amazon na kailangan ma-experience mo you have to go through different a lot of things within your selling journey for you to be able to impart knowledge on other people kasi minsan yun nga experience based yung mga kailangan. So I launched products na sobrang first 2 weeks or first month pa lang parang mataas na kagad yung ranking mo, okay na kagad yung sales. And I've experienced products din na sobrang okay siya for 1 year, 2 years, but in the long run, nagde-decline na yung sales. So maraming scenarios within Amazon na yun nga I'm just painting a picture na hindi siya all rosy and flowery yung Amazon selling ay yung pagbebenta niyo sa Amazon because it will still depend on how you will manage your products at saka kung how much can you give dun sa dun sa product nyo or sa listing nyo. So yun. So siguro up to this date kaya din from 2018 kaya ako din acquire lahat yung knowledge kasi constant learning. So kunyari nag-take ka ng FAMDA course. So it doesn't stop there. So yung learning mo i-apply mo yung FAM course and then you get bits and pieces from outside and from your actual experiences dun sa mismong product mo and mismong Seller Central mo. Tapos pagsasama-samahin mo lahat yon, yun yung ano, yun yung you improve day by day. And kahit dun sa process mo ng pag-pick mo ng products, pag-launch mo, pag-advertise mo, kumbaga parang hindi siya one-shot deal. So, every day may nadadagdag do sa knowledge mo. Every day you improve. So, ganun yung buong process ng pagsisell sa Amazon. So, hindi siya yung set and forget din. So, minimal yung management. Kasi even on my store, ako lang din mag-isa. So, hindi ako nag-hire ng VA. So, yun, ano din siya. Kumbaga parang, you don't have to work for it ng 8 hours a day or 9 hours a day. So, kumbaga parang, mas na-manage mo yung time mo because you get to delegate lang a few hours siguro a day for your Amazon business. Yan. So, mas ano siya, mas okay siya rather than yun nga, kumbaga nagwo-work ka ng 9 hours, long hours, tapos fixed yung time mo. Yun. And you get to do other things pa or other side businesses pa. Yan, like si Jeline also and si Coach Lish, may mga side businesses pa aside from your Amazon. Yun.
Yan, oo. Ako yung maraming natutunan ngayon kay Coach Jam. Oh, kasi tama siya, yung business talaga sa Amazon. Guys, hindi ito side gig. Ano to? Totoong business to, wherein you put time and effort and don't expect it to grow if you don't put hard work on it. So it's not for everyone. It's for someone who has a mindset of an entrepreneur that they can get this overnight. They should work hard on it, but expect results as well. If maging okay yung business. So, ayan, thank you for sharing, Coach Jam. Angeline, maraming salamat sa inyo. So, ayan guys, i-remove ko na sila Coach Jam, Angeline for the spotlight, and I'll continue with our session. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi tayo abot ng lunch break. But thank you for staying here. And listening to the sharing. O yan, at least ngayon, di ba, matatanungin na sila. And I'm also excited na makatuloy na yung iba dito. So, yeah. Last few tips about Amazon selling. Andito na tayo. Ayan. So, hindi lang ako, hindi lang sila Coach Jam and Jeline, kundi marami pang ibang sellers talaga na naging okay. If you want to listen to all of them, subscribe lang to our Amazon Nation YouTube page. And dyan nyo makikita lahat ng stories. Click nyo lang yung Amazon. Sorry, ito pala. Yan yung Amazon playlist natin. And ayan, pag clinic niya, napakaraming successful stories about Amazon and how they started. They came from different backgrounds. Some of them ay OFW, and madalas sa kanila talagang wala pang idea. Actually, halos lahat sila wala pang idea about Amazon. So yeah. But ano bang problema? Ano bang problema? Bakit hindi pa rin nagsa-start yung ibang Pilipino kahit may libreng seminar, libreng webinar, and kahit na alam naman nila na kung kaya ng iba, kaya din nila. Bakit? Kasi ang problema doon is okay, um, una akala natin yung mga, paano ko ba to sasabihin? Yung mga, may iba kasing Pilipino na akala nila, kaya na nila na mag-isa. Yung may mga Pilipino na hindi humble, kaya yan, Google ko na lang, YouTube ko na lang, ganyan. Pero sabi nga ni Jeline kanina, you can grow because of the community rin. So, ang problema is, oo, kaya mo bumili ng course, kaya mong i-follow yon. Pero ang negosyo, aminin naman natin o hindi, darating ang time na magkakaroon niya ng problema. Kasi ganun yung negosyo. Ang negosyo, sinusolve natin yung problema. Independent na lang kung nag enjoy tayong isolve yung problema natin. Pero ang tanong dyan, pag meron tong, pag meron tong community na tinatanungan kung ano ba yung mga connections, di ba? And kung meron kang community na talagang, willing to help you, mas mapapabilis. And yun nga, sa experience nila, matututo ka agad. So, I think because of that, I launched the Filipino Amazon Masterclass. And this is the one and only mentorship program for Filipinos by a Filipina, where you learn everything you need to know to start, grow, and scale your Amazon business. A to Z. So, ayan. Guys, by the way, we are done with the webinar. Thank you for attending. If you want to leave right now, okay lang. But if you're interested to know on how to do this, you can stay. All right? Because I'm going to introduce to you the Filipino Amazon Masterclass. And why am I doing this? Bakit ko ba ito ginagawa? Ginagawa ko to kasi I'm not sure kung narinig niyo na ako magsalita about this one, pero lagi ko tong sinasample. You know what is this? Kapuluan coconut oil. It's a coconut oil. And nasa Amazon to. Kumikita to ng 500,000 a year. And a month. Yeah, 500,000 a month with just one product. Alam niyo, pwede niyo ba i-type sa chat box kung sino yung may-ari nito para sa mga first time marinig to? Sige. Hulaan nyo, sino yung may-ari ng Kapuluan Coconut Oil? Sino? Okay. Okay, sige. Ay, babalikan kita, Rose. Okay, who? Ang may-ari nito ay isang Canadian. Tama, si Sherby. Hindi si Rosamore. Okay, Canadian. Si Sherby, sabi niya Canadian. Canadian yung may-ari nito, guys. Pero alam niyo kung saan niya sinusource? Sa Pilipinas. Yan. Dahil pumunta siya ng Pilipinas. Actually, you can search Kapuluan and then may story siya doon. Gusto niya tulungan yung mga farmers ng Filipino and binenta niya sa Amazon yung kanyang product because we have a very good natural resources here and for Filipino farmers waiting for entrepreneurs just like us to tap them and help them. Okay. So, yan. So, ang tanong, kung ito gusto niyo ba kumita ng kalahating milyon profit? So kung gusto nyo, at ito'y nasa Pilipinas, at alam nyo na, at ito, bakit hindi tayo yung nag-launch nito? Ano sa palagay nyo? Bakit hindi Pilipino ang gumawa? Or nagkaroon ng ganitong produkto? Alam nyo kung bakit? Sabihin ko sa inyo. Dahil hindi naman natin alam eh. Dahil wala tayong alam, hindi natin alam na pwede palang magbenta sa Amazon. Dahil hindi naman natin alam na pag Pilipino ka, pwede ka palang diba? Magbenta sa Amazon at pwede ka pang tumulong sa kapwa mo Pilipino dito sa yung mga may hirap nating mga kababayan, gaya ng mga farmers. And because of that lack of knowledge, tama ka. Ayan, lack of knowledge, si Miss Nelly. Imagine, kung maraming Pilipino ang marunong magbenta sa Amazon at the same time who can maximize the resources here in the Philippines, imagine how many farmers, how many livelihoods can we make and can we help the society na wala ring alam kung paano sila magiging okay. And if you take this challenge to build a business that can help other people and also earn at the same time, hindi ba mas maganda? So I think that this is the reason why I am still here after 5 years calling and launching this course because of this reason. And Pero, tatandaan natin, gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, it's not for everyone. You are not qualified if you're unteachable. If you will not take this seriously, if you think I will be the one who will do it for you, and if you think this is easy. Again, this is a business. Business is hard. If you are not an entrepreneur, if you think that mabilis lang to, hindi po to mabilis. Okay? This will take learning curve. Yan. Okay. Pero, if you're ready to work hard, you're willing to take direction, trust the process, naging negosyante ka na, alam mo kung paano magpatakbo ng negosyo, then by all means, join the Filipino Amazon Masterclass because you have a lot to learn and everything to gain. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn yung mga mental hack natin, yung mga step-by-step process, kung paano ba mapa-approve ng mabilis na sa ating Amazon Seller Central. You will have the right gauge dun sa budget. So, meron kaming dina-download na mga Excel file for you to type there ano yung budget mo and how are you going to, at paano yung cash flow, are we going to go around it. Meron din kaming tinuturo about the Amazon selling. Of course, more than what we explained today is much, much more deeper. And how to find the winning product. Kanina tinuro ko kung ano yung mga magaganda, pero meron din mga product to avoid. And ang pinakamaganda dyan, dahil nasa community na tayo, sabihin na natin, out of, sellers, siguro mga 100 sellers, magkasabi sa'yo, avoid mo tong product na to, nilaunch ko na yung product na yan, hindi siya okay dahil ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Imagine, hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan yan. Okay. And then you will learn how to package the product with very, 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 very seeming process and the best product and the best category where you're going to launch your product. How to ship your product? Kailangan ba natin ng custom? Yung mga ganong question. Paano yung custom clearance? Paano yung tax? Paano yung ganito, ganyan, ganyan? So, again, this is easy. The most easiest part, but of course, you need to learn how to do it. And of course, build an international brand. Yung sinasabi kanina na trademark, paano yung IP concern, paano yung sa brand registry, etc., etc. Yeah. And of course, how you're going to launch your first product, sponsored ads, customer service. Parang hinihingal ako sa dami ng course. Anyway, marami talaga siya, guys. I don't know, Coach Jam, ilang videos yon? Probably 200 videos for you to learn. But don't worry, kayang-kaya niyo yan. Okay. So, ang dami. Account maintenance and everything else. Alright? So, meaning you'll be able to learn more and double your income in less than 2 years. In less than 2 years, guys, in traditional business, you need 2 years to launch your product perfectly. Traditional. Pero dito, in 6 months' time, if you're going to follow the process that we're going to teach you, in 6 months' time, you will launch your own brand. That is our promise. Okay? Yan. Sa Amazon, international. Yun yung aming promise. Kasi mas mabilis mag-top sa Amazon kumpara dito sa Pilipinas na kailangan maghanap ng lugar, kailangan, halimbawa, restaurant yan, kailangan mong ipaayos, ipa-renovate, kailangan ka bumili ng mga gamit, di ba? Pero, halimbawa, traditional naman, magbebenta ka, kailangan mo ng warehouse, kailangan mo ng mga, mag-hire ka pa, right? So, parang, this is the best business for me. Ako talaga, every 6 months, 6 months. Okay. So anyway, at ito video to, pero dahil malapit na mag-12 o'clock, siya yung kumikita ng 3 million during the pandemic in just few months. Pero hindi ko na ipi-play dahil kulang na yung oras natin. And marami po kami mga meet-up. Yan, ito last This year lang ba to, Coach Jam? March? Ay, kalimutan ko na. But yeah. Lagi po kami nag-meet din ng mga Amazon sellers in the community. We meet yung Amazon mismo na yung pumupunta sa atin and nakikipag-usap sa atin how to launch the product. If you are also going to search what is the proven way, start selling Amazon in the Philippines, you're going to find us. Amazon Nation, that's us. Yeah. So, ang course location and date, it will be 100% online and opening today. Ang tuition, abot nga ba ng 250? 250 ang price ng iba. Pero ang price natin, 120,000. Pero 120,000 dahil kasama na yung training and mga bonuses. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi naman talaga siya 120,000. Hindi siya 100,000. 89,897 po ang ASA website natin. Pero good news, for today, the first ever, first ever, as in, first ever, binabaan po natin siya sa 68,897 na lang po. Hindi na siya yung super 89,000 before. For like 5 years, ganyan po yung presyo namin. Okay. Ano makukuha niyo po doon? And of course, the videos, the webinars. Meron pong one-on-one coaching with the dedicated fam coach for 6 months. Alam niyo po yung kanina, si Coach Jam, yan, meron kayong one-on-one coaching with her. And meron din po mga monthly webinar tayo. And there will be a lot of bonuses, including the keyword research, the brand registry, may template tayo for competitor analysis, and how do you see yung 10? Ito po mga bagay na hindi naman siya talaga included sa course, pero marami na po kami sinama. In fact, mas marami pang bonus sa loob. And, alisin ko yung sarili ko dito. Ayan po. If you have questions, you can always follow us at Amazon Nation PH or Amaze Nation. Amaze Nation, you can also visit our website, amazonnationph.com or amazenation.com. Ayan. And you can enroll po dyan sa website. Teka lang. Ayan. You can enroll here sa nasa chat box po. amazenation.com/fam or FAM. Yan. Okay. Welcome, Julieta. You enrolled yesterday. I hope you got the same price. Ayan. So right now, by the way, guys, good for 35 packs lang po for this batch ang kukunin namin. Dahil kailangan namin matutukan ang lahat. So, may mga nag-enroll na. And if you want to enroll po, please click that link para makapag-enroll po kayo. So, meron po kami mga sasagutin dito. How much po ang enrollment? How much? It's ano na lang po. 68,897. Okay, Coach. So, we are in the process of US visa, and we just required approval notice. When do you think should I start an Amazon selling point? Now, nandito na po ako. Well, you start, Sherby, hello, and thank you for your question. You start learning today. The learning takes time. Unless marunong ka na sa e-commerce. Pero since this is, you will have a learning curve. Tulad ni Jeline kanina, di ba? 2020 pa siya nag-enroll, pero 2023 lang niya nagawa. Kasi yung pinag-aralan niya. So, I guess, it's easier if habang nandito ako sa Pilipinas, you start learning, and then, kasi, start learning. And pwede mo nang baguhin yung address and time. Yan po. How much usually ang initial investment for first product? Ang usual na investment po natin for product ay, ayan. Ang usual investment po natin sa mga product, tulad na na-share ko kanina, it's around 100,000. Better if it's 150 para meron ka pong buffer. Yes, FAM expert na siya, hindi na siya FAM ICE. The difference is only, ang difference po ng FAM inner circle ay 89,897 po yung inner circle. Meron siyang 8 exclusive mastermind with FAM coach. And meron siyang 4 one-on-one coaching with a dedicated FAM coach. Ngayon, expert na, dumagdag pa yung one-on-one coaching mo. Pero nawala na yung mastermind with FAM coach. Ibig sabihin ng mastermind, yung group kayo. So, mas okay na to dahil kailangan natin ng one-on-one, di ba? Mas mababantayan tayo. Alright? Coach, enroll na ako. Makakuha ba ako ng discount? Ang discount nyo ay simula 89,000 to 68,000. So yes, yun yung discount for today. And today only, kasi baka hindi naman for today only, until the supplies last. Kasi baka mamaya magtaas uli kami ng presyo, who knows, diba? So, yan. First time po namin magbaba ng presyo and I hope that you take this opportunity. So, kailan magsa-start ang batch 37 Elite Class? Ano to? Sa ASVA? Rose. Ayan. Rose, tanong ko po sa mga coaches. Pero can you message me para ma-confirm ko po? Video online is acceptable sa Pinamix. Yes. Paano galing sa Pinas yung product? Pwede pong galing dito sa Pilipinas yung product. Pwede. May mga gumagawa po dito. Ang medyo lang po ngayon is mas mahal, of course, yung product, yung shipment from here than China. Pero pwede mong ipatong yon sa niyo po, sa inyong sa inyong price. Alright. Welcome! Smith. Ayan. Anong course po recommended for startup sa Amazon Seller? This is a perfect course for startup Amazon Sellers. Ayan. Ayan, 37 daw yung start. Alright, ayan, kung wala na pong tanong, thank you so much for being with us again. Tamang-tama, 12:02. That's 2 hours of full packed learning this morning, and I'm really, really glad that you learned a lot, and I also learned a lot from you guys, and especially from the sharers today and this morning. I hope to see you inside the masterclass soon. Sa lahat po ng mag-join for this batch hanggang, ano ba ngayon? Friday, ayan. Sa lahat po ng mag-join from now until May 15. May 15, meron po akong bonus sa inyo. Hindi ko to binibigay sa iba, but I will have one special session with all of you guys. Ayan, diba? Sa lahat ng 86 participants na nakaabot pa ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng special session with you guys. So, ayan. I hope to see you inside the masterclass. Thank you again for joining us this morning. Thank you, Coach Jam. And of course, thank you, Jeline, for being with us. Maraming salamat. Lahat po ng pinag-usapan natin ngayon will be sent via recording, via email. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Bye-bye.